Welcome to the course, 25 Must-Know Outlook Tips and Tricks. My name is Tomfragale and I'm a Microsoft Certified Trainer. So in this course, I want to show you many ways to use Outlook to be more efficient with your email and your calendar and different aspects of Microsoft Outlook. So this PowerPoint presentation should be available with the course. I'm going to go ahead and close out a PowerPoint. And I'm going to go into Outlook. By the way, I try to make my mouse bigger for you so you can find my mouse. And sometimes I'll make my mouse do that so you can find my mouse that way. So I'm going to minimize PowerPoint. And we'll go into Outlook. So my Outlook icon is down at the bottom here. I'll pick on Outlook. Now notice when I go into Outlook, I see some shortcuts over here and my calendar, my messages, and my tasks. So this is called Outlook Today. It just kind of gives me an overview of everything I have in Outlook. So let me show you how you can make it so Outlook Today is the first thing that you see when you go into Outlook. On the bottom of my window, I'm going to pick in the three dots over here, and I'll pick in the word shortcuts. And then you get this window. Over here, I'm going to click on Outlook Today. So this is called Outlook Today. Then I'm going to come way over here to the right, and I'll click on the three dots over here, Customize Outlook Today. Okay, good. And then I'm going to make sure this is checked. When starting, go directly to Outlook Today. So that's the first thing that you'll see when you go into Outlook. You can decide which messages that you're going to see. You can decide how many days of your calendar you're going to see. You can see what tasks, you can list what tasks you're going to see, and then you can change your style of Outlook Today. So I'm going to come over here and pick on Save My Changes. And now once again, let me close out of Outlook. Let me go back into Outlook now. And notice the first thing you see is Outlook Today. So you pick on the three dots at the bottom, you pick on shortcuts, and then Outlook Today over here, and you pick on the three dots over here where it says Customize Outlook Today, and you make sure it is checked right there, and then you're going to save your changes. Now, I'm going to go into my inbox now. All right. The next tip I'd like to show you is something that's called the reading pane. The reading pane helps me read the emails a little bit quicker. So I'm going to pick on my inbox, and then if I check on an email, notice how the email shows up down at the bottom. This is called the reading pane. Let me turn the reading pane off. I'll pick on View, and I'll pick on the three dots over here. And so actually, let me turn the reading pane off. I'm going to pick on the Home menu, and then I'm going to pick on the three dots over here. So I'm going to pick on the Home menu. Then I'm going to So I like to turn the reading pane off for a second. I'm going to pick on the View menu. I'll pick on the word Layout. I'll pick on the word Reading pane, and I'm going to turn it off. So right now, to read an email, I have to double click on an email. Double click, and it opens it up in a separate window, as you can see. I'll close that email. So every time I have to read an email, I have to double click on it. Let me turn the reading pane back on again. So I'll pick on the View menu, and then Layout, and then Reading pane, and I'll pick on the word Write. Notice how the reading pane is now on the right-hand side, so now I can just click on an email and see it over here. So I'm saving a lot of time, right? Helps me get through my emails a lot quicker when I have the reading pane on. If you notice my mouse, I can move this back and forth to adjust the size of the reading pane. Personally, I like it on the bottom, so I'll pick on the word Layout on the View menu, and I'll pick on the word Reading pane, I'll pick on the word Bottom, and now here it is down here. So again, I can quickly go through the emails without having to double click on the emails. It allows me to go through the emails a lot quicker. So that's the reading pane. If you notice my mouse right now, I can move this up or down to resize the reading pane. Next, I'd like to talk about how to sort the emails. So on Outlook, whenever you have this kind of list where the column headings are up at the top, you can just click on one of those headings. So I'll pick up the word from, and now it's sorted by who sent me the email. If I pick on the word from a second time, it'll be sorted in reverse order. So I can click on any of these headers, and then it's going to sort by that column. If I click on that header a second time, it'll sort in reverse order. So that's the normal sort. Now, let me show you an advanced sort. So this will help you go further with your sort. In this case, I'm going to pick on the View menu, and I'll pick in the word Current View, and then I'll pick in the word View Settings. And we're going to see this window a couple times during this class. So I'll pick in the word Sort here. And now I can sort by up to 4 fields, all right? So I want to sort first by the from, and then within from, maybe I want to sort it by the receive date. Now, there's many fields in Outlook, but most of them have common sense names. So I'll pick in the word received. And then each one of these can be ascending or descending independently, and you have up to 4 sort fields. So I'll click OK, and click OK again. So now it's sorted by who sent me the email. So notice within Microsoft, that's sorted by the receive date. So to do a more advanced sort, I can pick on the View menu and say Current View, pick on the word View Settings, and then you get this window. I'll pick on the word Sort there, and you can pick up to 4 fields, and each one can be sorted independently, either ascending or descending. In this case, I'm going to pick on the word Clear All, and now it's back to the normal sort, which will be by the receive date. I'll click OK, and then click OK again. And you can see it's back to being by the receive date. So now, the next thing I want to show you. So now the next thing I want to show you is the filter. I can search up here. So I'll type in the word Microsoft there, and then hit the Enter key. It'll then show me all the emails that have the word Microsoft either in the from, or in the subject, or in the body. So that's a quick search, right? Now here's something relatively new. If you follow my mouse, I can click on this arrow, and then you have some more choices. Even here, I could say add more options. So in this case, you can do a little bit more of an advanced filter. All right, so did you see what we did? We could type in an area right there, or I can click on this pull down, and then you have other ways to search the emails. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you really liked it, please click on the thanks icon that looks like this below this video to support the channel. Please check out some more of my free videos. You can also subscribe to my mailing list and find out about my other services by going to www.pcwebinars.com. Thank you again.